Hello everybody, this is Hans. This is a little add-on to the first Hanzo trade video I made because I saw on Friday and some other days before that people were asking, is this the Hanzo trade or was that the Hanzo trade? And I thought I'm gonna make a little video and show a few examples here. I have a few videos I picked out. And unlike I said in one of the videos that we have to wait at least 1 or 2 minutes here before we can take the Hanzo trade, well, it is not really correct. Correcting is actually we have to watch these three time frames here, the 1 and 4 and the 15 for our setup in able to take a Hanzo trade. Sometimes it just comes a few seconds after the OB move, and sometimes it takes even longer. And I have some examples here I want to show you. Now this is from the 1st of October, and I let that thing run and I speed up a little bit here. I don't need to speed up, you can see. Okay, it happened 16 seconds after the OB, and that thing will give us 50 pips easily. And usually what I saw here now on my notes, it takes about 1 till 1.5 or 2 minutes until I reach my 50 pips. And this is also something I want to mention here, that I changed my tactics a little bit. I'm going to go now for a set TP of 50, because 50 it will reach almost all the time the Hanzo trade, and then I put my stop loss immediately. I want to stop that here for a second. I want to put my stop loss immediately after the Hanzo trade started into break even. Sometimes I get stopped out, but that means that the Hanzo trade wasn't even ready yet, and I go in with the next color change of the Renko, like just Fran told us. Okay, so and what I'm doing here is I'm going now for the 50s TP, because I want to start making the max plan, like MT already mentioned sometimes. So that was one video. I'm going to show you the next one. I'm going to take that away. So that took like 16 seconds. And this is the next one here. Yeah, that's the next one. So here this is like another 34 seconds after the OB move. All right, and that is the situation we have. My main target is always that we break one of the LTs, either 1 minimum or 1 and 4. But we have also situations where we only broke the 15 BB band, but we were then on a flipped up 1 hour and 4 hour or just 1 hour. I will have also here examples and I will show you. Now let us look at that one here. The setup is clear. 1 hour has been broken. Okay, here we are on the 4 hour orange line. We have some wicks here, some wicks here, and we sit on the daily OL. Well, but the weekly definitely said to us that we are having a downtrend, so that can be easily taken. On the Renko we have already a setup with the white and the yellow, and on the HA we have the blue and the yellow, and on the 5 we have also yellow. So let's have a look at it. That also takes only a few seconds, really, maximum 1 minute until we get the 50 pips, and that is good enough for me. Like I said, I don't want to take more than that. That is good because I want to do the max plan. Then I have another one. This is now 2 examples where it took only a few seconds for the Hanzo move to appear. Now I show you another video where it took almost 9 minutes before we can take the Hanzo move. All right, and that is this one here. Yeah, so now is it this one? Yeah, it is this one. Okay, now let's have a look at it. We see if Oh no, that was the wrong one. Hey, sorry, that was the wrong one. That was the wrong one. That was the wrong one. It's the 10th. Where's the 10th? Hey, where's the 10th? This is the 10th. Here. That is the one. Now look at the time. We are 9 minutes after the OB move, and we are in this situation here. What happened? We are on the flipped up BB band. We broke the 1 hour BB band. We broke the 15, broke the 5, of course, broke the HA, and we have mom here. Sometimes the mom comes late. Well, you know, like I said, my main target is to break one of the BBs here, the 1 and 4, either one or both of them, or 4. Well, if you break the 4, also the 1 is broken, so it's those two. And I will show you examples also where we only broke the 15. But here, this is the situation we have. Why didn't I take one of those here? I think this was also where MM lost her trades, because here we did not break any LTBBs. That's why I didn't take it from here, all right? So here we broke the BB, we broke the 1, and I think we broke also a little bit the 4, and we can take that trade. So let's have a look at it. And also here, I don't know how long it will take us, but that also gives us easily 50 pips. And I speed it up a little bit just to have a look at it. So in order not to tell you any bullshit, but you can see we're making the 50 pips easy here. This was the 50 pips here, all right? That was the 50 pips. Okay, I stop this one now. Now, this was about the timing. That means the time is not the important part here. The important part is the 15, the 1, and the 4 hour time frame. Those three. That means the BB band has to be broken either on 1 or on both of them, or on the 15. And this is the way to take the Hanzo trade. Now I want to show you 2 examples where we only broke the 15 BB band and not a big LT. So this was that one here. No, yeah, the second one. All right, here. So as you can see here, we broke the 15 BB band. We didn't really break the 1 hour, but we were on it. The same with the 4 hour. We didn't break it, but it was a flipped up BB band. And like I said, we broke the 15 here, we broke the 5, we broke the HA, and we start to get up here. And it took us, yeah, like 4 minutes after the OB move. Let's have a look what's happening. I speed that up. So we see, comes down a little bit, but also here it gives us easily the 50 pips, okay? Oh no, this is happening sometimes. So I stopped that here. So that was one example where we only broke the 15. I have another example. My little girl here. That is that one here, yeah. Here we broke also the 15 BB band, okay. I'm sorry, we are here. We didn't break the 1 hour, we didn't break the 4 hour, but if you make a line here across where the BB band is, we were almost touching the BB. Brandy said, oh, we didn't touch the 1 hour. Yeah, it's correct, but with this big wick, it was almost like we did. Plus the same thing happening here on the 4 hour. It is like almost touching the 4 hour with the wick. And we broke the 15, we broke the 5. We have some signals here on HA and Renko. So plus a mom, so I think that is good enough, and let's have a look at it and see how far that goes. That also gives us 50 pips, and this is what I'm going to do in the future. I'm going to go for the max plan, and but I have a max plan idea. I'm not upping the lot size every second day. I'm upping the lot size every third day. So I go 2 days, I go with the same lot, and then in the third day I up the lot size double and go with a new lot for the next 2 days, and the next third day I'm upping again the lot size, and like that I have no problems, and I can get used to the new lot without any stress. This is it actually what I wanted to say. I showed you everything what I had here. Like I said again, mainly for me, I need to break these two, at least one of them, like the 1 hour, and if the two of them get broken, even better. And if this is not happening and we just break the 15 BB band, then at least we are on a flipped up 1 hour and a flipped up 4 hour. That is good enough for me to attempt the Hanzo. And if the trade is not ready, and if I start the trade, I go straight away into break even. I put my stop loss straight into break even. And if the trade is not ready yet, it will take me out and I will go back in again with the next color change on the Renko time frame. This is it for me. I hope it helps you a little bit in the future also. And if there's any questions and there is a need for another one, I'll be here and you can ask me, of course. But I will show not my face in the room only after the Hanzo happened, and then I will show my face in the room. So I see you later on, and over and out.